Wow, this is my first time seeing this, and I think it's incredible but risky. If you're drinking this, you're already a dead man walking. You cannot see these bacteria with your naked eye unless a microscopic eye, like what the guy did in the video. And this is the more reason why I like the reverse osmosis system, because it has the capacity to remove and eliminate these bacteria and improve on the taste of your water. When you pick the sachet, all you see is pure water, but you cannot see what's inside. So the RO is the best option if you want to venture into the pure water business. I don't know if this is something that is ongoing in the country where it's being done, but I suggest if you are drinking this, you start effective treatment before it's too late. Looking at what the woman is doing, this is more of a manpower thing. Let's say this is all the means that you have and you cannot afford the reverse osmosis system. You can still maintain hygiene to save those who are drinking from your end. First of all, the bucket could be contaminated and the material covering the container could also be contaminated. If I happen to be using this machine, I will first of all boil my water source, filter it with a white cleaned material and connect filters to the container. Get a small pump to bring the water from the container to your rubber, and since it's more of a manpower thing, you will get a stopper for the pipelines to tilt it in a way that it will close the hole so that the pressure won't be too much for you to be cutting it slowly. This is all I have for today. It's a boy Nick Asa. If this is your first time on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to the channel. If you are preparing to enter into the sachet water business, you can reach out to me and I will have a smooth conversation with you, take you through step by step all the things that you will need, and we will take it from there.